The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a tornado warning for central Webb County in south central Texas until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Orville, or about 5 miles northeast of Laredo, moving south at 25 miles per hour. The tornado is expected to be near northeast side of Laredo by 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 6 miles north of Rio Bravo and 7 miles north of El Cenizo by 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see it or hear it coming, it may be too late to get into a safe place.